Livermore Tower, November 408, Mentor 4084 is Brushy Peak for landing with Bravo.
Mentor 4084, Livermore Tower, and right base 925 right.
Livermore Tower, Mentor November 4084 is Brushy Peak for landing with Bravo.
Mentor 4084, Livermore Tower, and right base 925 right.
Livermore Tower, Mentor 4084, Brushy Peak landing with Bravo.
84, Mentor 4084, clear to land, runway 25 right, and if you could pass that on, please.
Roger that, 419er. Mentor 4084, do you copy? Roger, how do you read me, 4084? 4084, this is Skyx 63419er. I've got you loud and clear. I've got a message from the tower, and I do believe it is a clear to land 25 right, Mentor 4084. Roger that. Tower 4084, you copy Mentor now?
Mentor 4084, Livermore Tower, I hear you loud and clear.
Obviously our radio's intermittent. Thank you. 4084, clear to land 25 right.
Mentor 084, roger, thank you. We're in the 240 at 16. That's the 419er, thank you for the help.
Tower, Mentor 084, did you hear any of our previous transmissions? 4084, roger, thank you. Thanks for the help.
Mentor 084, we read all of your 15 or so transmissions between ground and tower.
Explain why 28 right isn't any good, but 28 left is okay for you guys. Well, we only have sent the 2 and so how come you're too heavy for 28 right, but you're okay for 28 left?
We were wondering the same thing, but based on our computer performance, it said that we can take off on 28 right, but we can take off on 28 left. I'm guessing that there's terrain and fire or something that makes it so that we can find it.
Okay, I'll go with that, sure.
Did I warn that?
Yeah, I guess we have to too.